Do you want to earn exact amount like this just by simply playing games on your phone? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how this app works, how to maximize your earnings, and the best tips to cash out faster. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more earning app tutorials. Let's get started. First, download JustPlay from your Play Store or App Store. Make sure to download their official app, which I show you here on the screen. Once installed, open the app and allow the necessary permissions. JustPlay doesn't pay you for simply opening the app. Instead, you will earn points by playing featured games and completing in-game tasks. These points are converted into real cash that you can cash out later. Not all games pay the same. Some games offer high rewards for reaching certain levels or completing specific missions. Before you start playing, check the reward section and choose games with the highest earning potential. Focus on completing missions rather than playing randomly. For example, reaching level 10, finishing tutorials, or unlocking certain achievements often gives better rewards. And take note, always check the task requirements carefully. As you play, you will earn loyalty points. The more active you are, the more points you can accumulate. Being consistent is important because regular players often earn more than occasional users. Watch some advertisements or promotions in the platform because it offers bonus multipliers that can double your earnings. Take advantage of this boost whenever possible. When you've accumulated enough rewards, head to the cash out section. Depending on your region, available options may include PayPal, gift cards, or other reward methods. Just follow the instructions and submit your withdrawal request. Here are some important tips. 1. Play games with the highest reward rates. 2. Complete missions instead of playing games only. 3. Check the app daily for bonuses. 4. Be patient. This app won't make you rich overnight, but it can provide extra pocket money. Let's head over to the most important question. Is JustPlay legit? Based on millions of downloads and user reviews, JustPlay is considered a legitimate reward app. However, earnings vary depending on your location, available offers, and how much time you spend playing. And that's how you can earn rewards using JustPlay. Remember, the key is choosing the right games, completing missions, and staying consistent. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your JustPlay earning experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, everyone.